How to change background color on Instagram story when sharing a reel. So if you want to change the background, then simply open up your Instagram. Once you've opened, now you can simply choose a reel that you would like to share. So for example, I'll be choosing a reel. So if you want to go for the reels, go for the bottom right where you have the reel option. Tap on the reels and tap on share, which is on the bottom right. Tap on add to story, and once you add that to your story, now we don't have an option to add a background on a reel story. But what you can do is you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on draw and enlarge the size and choose the color. For example, I'll be choosing red. Once you've chosen the color, now you can paint the background. And once you've painted, now this is how it looks. Tap on the tick, which is on the upper right, and that's it. You can also adjust your reel. So that's how you can change the background, or that's the only way you can change your background, but instead of that we don't have any other option. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.